Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share information on how to see clearly with eyes. Our eyes can see well when the eyeball is round, like a ball, and the rays of light are focused on the retina of the eye. In a normal relaxed state, the eye should be round, not extended forward and not flat, and all muscles should be evenly relaxed, and no eye muscle pulls the eye to either side and distorts the image. For example, if it's somehow distorted by astigmatism, that is, one eye muscle is overstrained and the other is stretched unevenly, then the picture is doubled in the eyes. How to make the eyeball round? To normalize the eyeball shape and to make it like a ball, you need to relax your eye muscles. Our eyes should be constantly relaxed. This is when the eye is absolutely relaxed and all muscles are relaxed. And then it's perfectly round. And then the light focuses in the center of the retina. You can find different relaxation techniques on my channel. Subscribe for more beneficial information for your eyes.